tung macai las doro hanami digoko kamu hami diulaonon torop sopiga pehami sian bona tulang muna silaban takas do di boto hamu godang do hami di bona pasogit suang songoni na ditano parcerah karon tung pe songonon haroronami unang makurangi di balgani lasni rohamuna songon hata ni situa-tua dohonan nami tuamu bere do boru nami emen amar biur dilinggom ni hari-hara sai toro pinopar mahamu uhut maribur jala matakang jala majuara
Mbatutu
hau si marna tolu ditoba ni panaparan sai leleng mahamu mangolu diring-iring jala dihaliangi akapoparan
Mbatutu
asa ador halupang ma togu-togu ni lobu binoan tuonan ni gabiri sai saur madua mahamu jala leleng mangolu mangiring-iring pahopu sahat tu namar nono sahat tu marna nini
Mbatutu
suang songoni hata nami tu pahopu nami Julio, I try to speak in English. Yeah. I don't know, I'm not excellent, but I hope you understand what I said. We are Silaban. In Batanis, we have the big family Silaban name. We are your uncle father. But for you, we are your grandfather. So, your father invite us to make the happy for this moment. So, we want to give you, in Batanis said, ulos. I hope you understand what is ulos. Ulos is the symbolic, the praying from us to the God for your family in the future. You got very blessing, you got the happy. So I hope you enjoy your moment now. Okay, thank you. Ya, jadi imahata siak kami bona tulang muliate.
Jenisan amato hita tulang arto nak opus sungguh. Buah hita isi mama kataon. Toima sara silop pakarong, sara silop pauwi. Tuk sarbe makataon nang sudi marabotan uli.